What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol PFE for Pfizer Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, we should be made aware of the massive gap that still remains underneath Friday's low. That's going to start filling underneath 46.56 down to about 44.50, and I'm not advocating that this fills, immediately just because there's a gap in the chart. I just wanted to point it out to let you know that there is a void of space here. What I think is more likely is that the back-to-back equal highs that we've put in at and around 48.80 are going to act as a pressure cooker top. If we can take that out, the move essentially is back into the prior all-time highs essentially here at 51.35. So I'm really looking for upside here inside of Pfizer if we can get a break of 48.80, okay? And, obviously this would pair nicely if we saw an increase in volume down below as well. To me, what I would want to see on a break of that level would be volume on par with at least 10 million shares per 30-minute bar to really give me added confidence that, yes, we are truly going to see a momentum continuation move up and over. Again, that pressure cooker top at 48.80 into about 51.35. That's a quick rough, eyeball test, right? Maybe the resistance is here at this level, $50.50, give or take, but overall just looking for that upside on the break of 48.79. I would not be a short player here. Notably, the only short I would potentially consider would be for the gap fill, but even still, note that we have a double top in here as well to contend with. So as soon as we start moving into the gap, like if this does end up playing out like this and the short is here at 46.56, really there's not a lot of room to run. You immediately run into support at 46, and then maybe underneath 46, that's where the door really opens up for the full gap fill down to 44.50. But as it sits right now, based on what we've seen today especially, so big volatility on that Friday session, right? And on today's session, we dipped our toe into the range and closed really strong up here towards the highs, putting in a bit, again, not the prettiest thing, but a bit of a bull flag. So to me, the move would make sense to be higher here. I'm not entirely sure that it happens this week, then, tomorrow even, but that's what I'm watching out for, a break of 48.80 as we've sort of hammered home to take us higher into these prior all-time highs right around this 50.50 to 51.35-ish zone. That's really going to wrap up the video. I wanted to make you aware of the back-to-back equal highs and the very clean breakout point that did develop. If you enjoyed it or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.